What's up, guys? It's your girl Lovely K, and I'm back again with another video. And today I'm going to be showing you guys how I'm going to achieve this honey brown and blonde bundles that I got from Bougie Brat hair. I got the 18-inch closure, which was free, with the 18 I think it was 18, 20, and 22 bundles. Don't quote me on it. I think that's what I got though. As I always say, if you have not subscribed to my channel, stop what you're doing. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, and check out the description box. Excuse me. And most of all, let's get right into this video. Alright guys, so a few things you'll be needing is going to be your bundles, a brush, a comb, a developer, and your bleach. Alright, so what you see here, you see me taking my powdered bleach, putting it in a bowl, and I'm going to add 2 packs of that, and then I'm going to add some developer. Now you see me pouring my developer, the number 30, and I'm just stirring it around so it's not too loopy and it's not too thick. Don't be like me, guys, and do this without gloves. I absolutely had no gloves in my house whatsoever, so I really tried my best not to get it on my hands because I did not want that little I can't explain it, but I really didn't want that little foamy stuff that my fingers to turn or whatever. But what I'm doing now, I'm just taking my developer and my bleach, and I'm just slightly starting off with the ends of my hair, and I'm really working it into that closure with nice, firm, and like deep strokes. What you see now, you see me just flipping my bundles over on the other side, and I'm just going to coat it and cover it in bleach, and I'm just going to continue the process until I get to the color or achieve the look that I am going for. Here you just see me really spreading the bundles and the closure apart and working it into the middle ways of the hair or in between the hair. As you can see, I am done, and the color is really cute, and it was everything I was looking for and everything I wanted. I did not show the part where I washed it and I conditioned it and blow dried it because I was in a rush and I had to get to the lady who was doing my hair. So please check her out on Instagram at Hairgasms. She slayed my hair. When I tell you, slayed my hair. Now this video was filmed 4 weeks ago, and now I no longer have this installed. But when I tell you, my hair stayed laid the whole entire time. Whatever glue she used in that bottle was like super, I don't know, it was like crack, like something, but it held so long. I did not have to re-glue my hair whatsoever. So please get at your girl Hairgasm on Instagram. Check her out, go book with her. What she's doing here is laying my closure and just plucking my edges to give it more of a realistic hairline, and she did use a band around my closure to give it more of a good hold. When I tell y'all Hairgasm slayed my hair, I had never had my hair slayed to this point, to the point where I did not want to take this hair out. But you know me, I don't like keeping the same hairstyle too long because I like to be different. But when I tell you, this woman slayed my hair to the fullest. So it wouldn't be me if I didn't use my Bougie Brat hair extensions, silk head wrap to tie and hold down those edges, to have them edges on fleek. So basically, she's just sewing my tracks down, and that's pretty much what this video is consisted of, her installing my hair. So here she is done with the installed, and as you can see, I done got sleepy. But look at those lashes though. She's about to cut off the rest of my cap, that you can see up under there. And the finished look is gorgeous. Like, she really did an amazing job on my hair. And I don't just let anybody do my hair. So overall, the hair, it's okay. It's just the only problem I had, it did not take color well, and after I dyed it, it got like real dry. But other than that, it's pretty good hair. I will be shopping from Bougie Brat hair again. I love it. The bundles are 18, 20, and 22 with an 18-inch closure. I did know after I dyed it, it got a little stiff, but before it wasn't. So I guess that's expected with dye bleaching. So yeah, but overall, this is some really good hair. Make me feel cute. But that's it for today's video. So if you liked this video and you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.